Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. It's day 2 of Big 13 week. So today I got a little running around to do to piece up the things that I need for the week. Yesterday, as you guys can see, I went to Texas, Brazil. When I say nice, fabulous, the aesthetics, the food, good. Everything was good. So yeah, I got my hair done from J. Shout out to J, you guys. Book with him. Book with him. I'll let you guys know in the description some way or somehow or whatever. If you like, just let me know. Just comment and we'll get that to you. But what you guys think? I'm feeling very Ariel-ish. I'm feeling very under the sea. Under the sea. But yeah, tomorrow is the Big 13, so your girl will be 35 tomorrow. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me to get a few things, and I might do something today. So this is a part of the week, you guys. Come on.
Hello everyone, my name is Jazzy. Nice to meet you guys.
Y'all welcome my niece Jazz. But thank you.
Her birthday is here, so happy birthday.
Girl, we got some money! Oh! We got some money. Ooh! My niece love me.
This my drink.
Oh, I'm loved. I am loved.
That could add on to her other $200 perfume she wants.
Lord, I need $2 more for the baccarat. Girl, look at you, turn around.
Follow me on Instagram at Santana.
Good morning. It's officially 10. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to the queen. Happy birthday to me. Happy Big 13 to your girl. Listen, I haven't made drinks like I did since about last year, my birthday. And I'm feeling it. They say the older you get, baby, I'm throwing them back like it's water. And I'm feeling it like all last night, this morning. And I have a birthday dinner. So I got to get myself ready and prepared for that. Yeah, it's Big 13. I'm here. We made it. We made it. I am 35 years young, Lord. And I'll be inserting some of the gifts that I got because some of them was, everybody's amazing. Shout out to my daughter because she got me a Alex and Andy bracelet. Shout out to my cousin Erica. She got me a gift card for Coach, so I'm able to buy me a bag. Shout out to Santana. Shout out to Jazz, like Judy. And I know it's more. It's the morning. And everybody else too, my other friends and coworkers too. Like, y'all been really rolling in. Y'all been doing y'all thing. The streets love Jessica, and I love them back. Lord, y'all really rock with the girl. I feel so, oh my God. But I'm going to get up and do nothing because the party is tonight, baby. Damn that. Yesterday I had such an amazing time. It was supposed to be a little crying time, but it turned into something very positive and amazing. So I'm blessed. I'm blessed. I would do the whole month, but baby, I gotta get back. I don't have time for that. But the week we still got a couple more days. So I'm editing as I go so you guys can get this content, and I promise you Sunday you're gonna get content. So I want to thank you guys for rocking out, and I want to thank y'all too in the comments for being active with me. Thank you so much, because I told you guys get active in the comments. Stop talking to me because I talk back. Thank you to some of the participants. But I'm really grateful and thankful, that I'm here. So, sky's the limit. It's up from here. So we're going to keep this thing rolling. Tonight's the dinner. So, yeah. Welcome back to my channel. It's the 15th of October. And everything been progressing. I'm hoping you guys liking the vlog so far. But I just been eating. So today I'm going to make it quite interesting. I'm going to the range today with my good friend. So I'll be showing you everything. I'm going to try my best to be the best vlogger ever because I just been recording and not saying nothing that I'm doing or things of that sort. So with that said, come on and let's go to the range. Okay, you guys, so we made it to, what is it? Stoneheart's Gun Club. And I got shoot. It's ladies' day. Still my birthday, but we're finna go shoot. So I'm gonna bring you guys with.
Shoot.
Special, man. So do it, sister.
You can just lay it right on top, create expression. Line it up so that it's flat. If you can see any of this, the gun is too high. Because now you can see the slide. You don't want to see the slide. You want to look through here and see only this in the middle. On you, when you're ready now.